Ay, nako, God is good. Look at this. This is Marriott Hotel. This is one of the best rooms I've ever had. It's a gift. Basta galing sa Diyos, it's a gift. It's a gift because of hard work. I'm sharing with you the room at Marriott so you can stay for your family. Look at this. There's a full-length mirror as you go inside the room. Tapos meron na siyang little toilet. Pagpasok mo pa lang, look. Look at that. Ganda. Simple and relaxing. For those of you who are so toxic at work and you have some budget, you don't really have to go out of town. Within Metro Manila lang to relieve your brain of stress. You can go here and enjoy. For clarity of mind, there's a desk where you can work, computer outlets, and the decor is simple. Pwede siyang model if you are building your own little home or even your condo if you're into a bungalow. Ang ganda siya, oh. And then there are two entries. One is from a pocket door. Like that. This is a pocket door. You can close for privacy and then you can open. And there's your bedroom. Malaki siya, king size siya. Look at that. It's nice. There are two TVs, television sets. Big size. So, kung magkaiba yung taste nyo ng friend nyo or your loved one or your family member, tig-isa kayo. Sa honeymoon lodge. This is the walk-in closet. And there's the bathroom. It's open. Let's walk into the closet, to the bathroom. There. Dalawa. There. Kita nyo? May bathtub. You can do your shower here or you can do your shower there. And this is the brand that they use. Magandang brand, Beachworks. Ganda siya. Very relaxing. You can watch TV while you're taking a bath or just sitting on the bathtub if you love bathtubs. Ang ganda, oh. Kompleto siya. Hope you like it. Sana magustuhan niyo. Masarap din ang food dito. Kaya nyo yan. Lahat tayo merong time for ourselves. Mas maganda bukas kukunan natin to. There it is. Near the airport. Kung kayo naman from the province and you're going out of country, this is where you stay overnight. Tatawid na lang kayo sa airport. Ang lapit. There's also Belmont Hotel. See you. Yun lang po ang ma-vlog ko. Simple lang po. Thank you.